In the fast-paced world of technology and innovation, there's a role that acts as the guiding force behind their success: product managers. Product managers possess a unique blend of skills and responsibilities, enabling them to navigate the complex landscape of bringing a product to life. By the end of this video, you will be able to summarize the key skills and responsibilities of a product manager and understand their profound impact on businesses across industries. Let's delve deeper into the superpowers that make product managers so indispensable. First, product managers excel at strategy, possessing a deep understanding of the market, customer needs, and competitive landscape. They analyze data, identify trends, and conduct competitive analysis to craft a product vision that aligns with company goals and resonates with the target audience. This strategic thinking guides informed decisions throughout the development process, ensuring the final product not only meets, but exceeds both business objectives and user expectations. For example, a streaming services product manager might use data to identify a growing demand for foreign language content, then strategize how to acquire or develop such content to expand their audience and boost subscriptions. Product managers are exceptional communicators and collaborators, acting as a bridge between diverse teams like engineering, design, marketing, and sales. They facilitate clear communication, ensuring everyone understands the product vision and works toward a shared goal. By fostering collaboration and breaking down silos, they create an environment where diverse perspectives contribute to innovative solutions. Imagine a product manager leading a brainstorming session where designers, engineers, and marketers come together to generate ideas for a new feature, ensuring everyone's voice is heard and ideas are synthesized into a cohesive plan. Communicating your vision is just as important as making room for experts to be heard. Product managers are also relied on for their problem-solving prowess. They are constantly confronted with challenges and obstacles throughout the product lifecycle. Whether it's grappling with technical limitations, managing stakeholder expectations, or adapting to sudden market shifts, product managers are adept at finding innovative solutions and navigating through turbulent waters. They approach problems with a critical and analytical mindset, carefully evaluating options and making sound decisions even under pressure. Product managers must understand a problem before even trying to solve it. Their ability to think on their feet, adapt to change, and overcome hurdles is a valuable asset that ensures the product development process stays on track and delivers exceptional results. In addition to these core skills, product managers exhibit remarkable versatility. They need to be comfortable wearing multiple hats, seamlessly transitioning between different roles and responsibilities as the situation demands. One moment, they might be conducting in-depth market research, analyzing customer data, and defining precise product requirements. Next, they could be collaborating with designers on crafting an intuitive and user-friendly experience, working with engineers to ensure technical feasibility, or developing a comprehensive marketing strategy for the product launch. Product managers are often asked to fill in when there's a gap in the organization, even in other departments. This adaptability allows them to effectively manage the entire product lifecycle, from the initial spark of an idea to its triumphant entry into the market and beyond. The impact of a product manager on a business is profound and far-reaching. They are the catalysts behind product innovation, constantly pushing the boundaries and ensuring that the company stays ahead of the curve by delivering products that not only meet, but exceed customer expectations. They play a pivotal role in revenue generation by identifying lucrative market opportunities, defining product features that truly resonate with users, and developing pricing strategies that maximize profitability. They also contribute significantly to cost optimization by streamlining processes, identifying areas for efficiency improvement, and making data-driven decisions that minimize waste and maximize resource utilization. But the product manager's influence extends beyond just the financial aspects. They also play a crucial role in shaping the company's overall strategy and direction. By staying abreast of the latest market trends, technological advancements, and competitive developments, product managers provide invaluable insights to senior leadership. This enables the company to make informed decisions about resource allocation, market expansion, and product portfolio management, ensuring that it remains agile, adaptive, and well-positioned for sustained growth and success in the long run. Product managers are the superheroes of the product development world. Their strategic thinking, exceptional communication and collaboration skills, problem-solving abilities, and remarkable versatility empower them to navigate the complexities of bringing a product to market. Most importantly, product managers are diligent in setting boundaries and expectations. A product manager who says yes to everything will quickly find themselves spread too thin. Focus and time are their most precious resources. They are the driving force behind innovation, revenue generation, customer satisfaction, and long-term business success.